Hey everyone, welcome back. So it's just a quick video. So tomorrow me and my partner are going to be flying to Gran Canaria from Dublin Airport. When we were looking for a hotel near the airport, Skyscanner suggested here. So we're starting our trip off early and we're staying at the Clayton Hotel Sword. Now Clayton Hotels are part of the Dalada group and we've stayed at their Modern Hotel at Belfast International Airport, Hotel 7 Dublin City Centre and the Clayton Hotel in Glasgow. So we're familiar with the brand. Let's see if this hotel lives up to expectations. If you're new around here, we share travel videos, walking tours and hotel reviews from around Ireland, Spain and the UK. If you haven't already, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. That lets you know when we upload new videos. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, whether you're a paid channel member, free subscriber, leave a comment or just watch our content, we appreciate every one of you. The channel has recently just hit 1 million views, which is amazing, and your support means a lot to us. So the Clayton Hotel is located a 10-minute drive away from the airport itself, but there's transfer buses that run up to every 30 minutes to bring you to the terminal, even at night time, which is brilliant. You'll see lots of airspace theming around the hotel, old planes and pictures of the old Dublin Airport terminal. There's just something about black and white photos. We've checked in, so let's take a look at the room. Walking into the room, you've really got everything you need. Bottle opener, iron, ironing board. I've got a fan as well in case the room gets too warm. I don't think there's air conditioning in the room. A safe, plenty of coat hangers and storage space. There's about 8 here in total, so plenty for us. There's a large workstation or dressing table to get ready at, and a separate table with 2 chairs. Excuse mine and my partner's bags. We've been given a room with a double bed and single bed, and I'm not sure if that's normal for this hotel. A phone to call reception and a notepad and pencil in case I need to make any notes. We're actually flying with Ryanair to Gran Canaria tomorrow, so if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Let me know in the comments if you have been to Gran Canaria and where you think we should visit while we're there. We're really excited for the trip and can't wait to bring you along with us. Hairdryer in the drawer. The furniture in this room looks quite dated. It almost feels like an old travel lodge. More pillows if we need them. I think there's a 24-hour room service as well, which is great if you're checking in after a really long transatlantic flight. USB sockets. TV as well. It's not a smart TV, but it wouldn't be Ireland without wee Daniel. Let's look at the bathroom. It looks like a standard budget hotel, like a travel lodge. The hotel is supposed to be 4-star, but it feels on the higher end of a 3-star. I don't think this bathroom has been cleaned that well. I think that's someone else's hair, and there's another one over here. So what do we think? Like most airport hotels, Clayton Hotel at Dublin Airport is the perfect hotel to relax at before or after a long trip. The beds were comfortable and the room was spacious. There was a service station across the road that has a Supermax, Papa John's and a convenience store. If we were to be picky, we did try using the self-service checkout, but it didn't work. The Clayton Hotel is located a 10-minute drive away from the airport itself, and there's transfer buses that run up to every 30 minutes to bring you to the terminal, but there isn't a timetable, and where the shuttle buses dropped you off is quite a distance from the terminals. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It would help us out more than you can imagine, and leave a comment if you've stayed at this hotel before or if you'd consider staying at an airport hotel in the future.